All right, on today's video, as y'all can see, that is not supposed to be like that. We're gonna try to turn this thing back over, try to get it sitting back up. So we got the Mini here. You can see the truck right there. Old man and Coot's going to get the Mini. We're going to try to set it back up. It's going to be a challenge. The Mini is the same size as this machine, the same weight basically, if you will, and this thing is in a bad position. So we're going to have to I don't know if it's going to do it or not. This might be a fail. This video, you might watch this video and not even get to see it back on its feet. We may have to end up going and getting, our 120 is tore apart with the hydraulic cylinders. The only other thing we got that might do this is 200, and the 200 it's an aggravating sucker to move down here. So anyway, they're gonna bring the Mini. We're gonna try to turn this thing back over, but the problem that we got is this. See this ravine right here? This used to actually be a silage pit in this cow pasture, and the problem that we got is the way it's sitting kind of up on that hill. It needs to come this way. It needs to come this way and then go over, but it's going to be really hard to do that. It's going to be actually near about impossible to do that. So I think, like I said, this might be a fail. So we'll see. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere, probably just put y'all on the Mini, and we'll try to get this thing flipped over. All right, here's attempt number 1. So the plan is, it ain't gonna hook right there. None of that hole's too small. Too small? Yeah. Hook it in that center tooth and just see what it does. Here's attempt number 1. So we're gonna try to drag the front around, because there's no way we're gonna flip it up the hill. It ain't gonna happen. So we'll see what happens. Go ahead and back up, Coot.
I am right now. I think my thing just come up.
Hold on, Dada. Well, we got movement, so we might be winning the battle.
It seems like when you picked up, it pulled it. Pick up.
I think what we need to do, Coot, is once we get it slid over, I think we need to go right there and move that burn pile and pull the chunder away.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and move you on that.
You want to? You want to come around right here and pull it. Coot, go and hook his chain, baby. Get out of there, Coot. We're trying to get it spun around. That way we can turn it over. It's not working with the bigger machine. We didn't think it was this bad when we done this morning. It is terrible. Hey, can you drive down there and get the front of that bucket with your tooth and pull it around with the bucket? Maybe just back up and make you a little ramp right here.
Oh, hold on.
A chain ain't worth nothing. God,
Come on, man.
Dada, you're hey, if
I'm gonna back up, I'll do this.
well, yeah, but even though it don't feel like it, even when you got 10, it's slowly coming this way.
Yeah, I gotta back up, I can't go up.
Yeah.
You go a little farther this way, I can get right where I'm at and pull it that way.
Dada, what if you reach out with your bucket and grab up under this bucket?
That's right.
What's the worst that can happen?
Well, you're not gonna hurt the bucket. You ain't gonna hurt the bucket.
Lay that down.
I got a toll right here, I'm gonna get it
On high ground, it's all right to hold it over there. If you can back up and get your blade to actually hold you, you can move it. But the reason you ain't moving it is because it's moving.
It moved a little bit.
about a foot.
Yeah, another foot and we can do it.
That's what I'm saying. If you can get that thing where you can actually get some.
The Mini's stronger than it is heavy.
I can't go too far, Cody, because I can't reach it.
Yeah, the battery's the least of the concerns right now, but it's over there. It ain't, and I ain't got nothing else to do it with.
Attaboy's up
It's at the house. It's at the house, but it's the 120 tore apart. The 200's there, but moving it. Watch out, Mr. Duck. Can't get a tractor in here.
Come on. There she is.
Hey, it high-fived you.
I said thank you. Come here, Shane. I'll show you what the uploads and shit are.
Hey, Dada, how about
All
Alright. Backhoe is back on its feet. We are headed to Bubba's job to haul for him. My brakes will unlock. Alright, I'll show y'all when we get to the dirt pit. I don't think y'all got to see much of this on the truck on the YouTube channel. Normally could drive this. We normally use this thing off-road, but Bubba's got some dirt in his all, so he's gonna be on-road use today. The old man's in front of me. I don't know if y'all can see it from the camera view. They're going back to the barn to do some stuff at the barn. I'm gonna do a haul. Just getting a lot of hot end stuff done today. We got a big job to start next week, so we're just trying to get all of our little hot end stuff knocked out. That way we can get ready to start that big job. So. Well, I ain't got the one battery with me, no charger, not much on the life on the GoPro, so I'll get y'all out when we get the dirt pit load truck. Alright, here we are at the dirt pit. Got the old boots on the load here. Get up in here and load the load. go dump out at Bubba's job site, and we're gonna dump this, and I think that's gonna be a day for us today. Well, that's it for today. We're fitting to call it a day and head to the house.